Once upon a time, in the wake of the devastating World War II, Europe lay in ruins. Its people were scarred, its economies shattered, and the spectre of conflict loomed large. It was in this challenging context that visionary leaders across the continent embarked on a journey toward a brighter future, one characterized by peace, cooperation, and economic prosperity. The Schuman Declaration, issued on May 9, 1950, by French Foreign Minister Robert Schuman, marked a turning point. This declaration proposed an audacious plan, the pooling of French and West German coal and steel industries under a common authority. The result was the birth of the European Coal and Steel Community, ECSC, a pioneering endeavor that would set the stage for the European Union. If you enjoyed the video so far, make sure you leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any topics. You can even comment on what you want to see next. Let's dive even deeper. In 1957, the Treaty of Rome solidified the commitment to European unity. 6 founding members, Belgium, France, Italy, Luxembourg, the Netherlands, and West Germany, signed the treaty, establishing the European Economic Community, EC, and the European Atomic Energy Community, Euratom. This marked a significant step toward economic integration. The EU's journey was characterized by expansion. Additional countries joined the Union, sharing in the vision of European unity. The United Kingdom, Denmark, and Ireland joined in 1973, followed by Greece in 1981 and Spain and Portugal in 1986. With the end of the Cold War, several former Eastern Bloc countries, including Poland, Hungary, and the Czech Republic, became members in the early 2000s. The Maastricht Treaty of 1992 was another pivotal moment. It officially established the European Union, introducing the euro as a single currency and creating a common foreign and security policy. European citizenship became a reality, symbolizing the EU's commitment to unity. The EU's Eastern enlargement in 2004 was a historic achievement. 10 new countries from Central and Eastern Europe, including Poland, Hungary, and the Baltic states, joined the EU. This expansion brought hope, stability, and economic growth to regions previously marked by division. The European Union has faced its share of challenges, including economic crises, debates over national sovereignty, and the complex Brexit process, resulting in the United Kingdom's departure. Despite these hurdles, the EU remains a symbol of peace, cooperation, and shared values. Today, the benefits of the European Union are manifold. It has fostered economic growth and stability, creating the world's largest single market. EU citizens enjoy freedom of movement and travel, strengthening cultural exchange and understanding. The EU's commitment to human rights, democracy, and environmental sustainability has elevated standards of living across the continent. The founding and evolution of the European Union stand as a testament to the power of nations coming together to heal the wounds of the past and build a brighter, interconnected future. It is a story of vision, cooperation, and lasting unity that continues to shape the course of Europe's history, bringing about a world where peace, prosperity, and shared values are cherished and safeguarded. Embark on a detailed and compelling journey through the complex history of the European Union, EU, a union of 27 European countries committed to economic and political integration. Explore the origins, milestones, and contemporary benefits that have defined this remarkable endeavor, reshaping the destiny of an entire continent. Join us as we delve into the founding and evolution of the European Union, a story of vision, cooperation, and lasting unity. What do you think was a crucial moment for the building of Europe? Let me know in the comments. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe on the channel. Until next time.